Hello students, here I Priya Sachar, your maths teacher. Welcome you again in my online Pathshala for class 7, chapter 1 integers. Before I start, I would suggest you all to please like and subscribe this channel so whenever I upload my next video, you will get the notification for that. And while commenting, don't forget to share your name, class with section. PDF of this chapter 1 integers is available in the home tutorial in the green box above the video at jmps.org.in. Before starting the video, I request all of you to make the notes of these topics. If possible, please make one register in which do your home tasks on regular basis, as it will be checked and marks will be allotted for that. In previous video, I told you about multiplication of integers and properties of multiplication of integers. Now in this video, I am going to discuss the topics division of integers and properties of division of integers. So let's start with division of integers first. Division of the inverse operation of multiplication. When we divide, we change the division sign to multiplication and multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of divisor. For example, minus 20 divided by 4. This is very small, so you can do by direct division. 4 5s are 20. Answer will be minus 5. Or according to definition, first you will change this division sign into multiplication. Then you have to write 4's reciprocal, that is 1 upon 4, and then cut its denominator with numerator. Then multiply its numerator, 5 ones are 5, and sign assign will be negative. Answer will be minus 5. Why answer will be minus 5? So for that, some rules you have to just keep it in your mind while dividing integers. When you will divide two integers having the same sign, clear? In that case, first you have to divide the numbers only, and then with answer you have to assign positive sign. Clear? For example, 10 divided by 2 is equals to 5. 2 5s are 10. And now you can see both are positive. Clear? So, sign assign will be positive with the answer. Plus 5 will come. Here you can see minus 18 divided by minus 3. Here first you have to divide the numbers. 3 6 are 18. 6 will come. And both negative. These two integers both are negative. For that, with answer you have to assign positive sign. So plus 6 will come. In case when signs are different, first is positive, second is negative, or first is negative, second is positive. In that case, first you have to divide the numbers only, and with the answer you will assign the negative sign. For example, minus 64 divided by 8. So 8 8s are 64, so 8 will come, and sign assign will be negative according to rule, because both these two integers having the different sign. Clear? Minus and plus. In that case, 84 divided by minus 12. So here 12 sevens are 84. So 7 you will write, and sign assign will be negative according to the rule, because both the integers having the different sign. So in that case, answers will be minus 8 and minus 7. Is it clear to everyone? Now next topic is properties of division. Starts with closure property. If a and b are any two integers, then a divided by b may or may not be an integer. For example, minus 120 divided by minus 15. In that case, first we have to change this division sign into multiplication. Then minus 15 reciprocal will be minus 1 upon 15. And then cut numerator with denominator. 15 ones are 15, 15 eights are 120. And then multiply its numerator. 8 ones are 8 will come. Clear? And sign will be positive. Why positive? According to the rule. because both the integers having the same sign. So answer will be positive. Positive 8 will come. Here you can see if you are dividing two integers, answer is an integer value. But in that case, if you will divide 121 by 22, so first change this division sign into multiplication. 22 reciprocals is 1 upon 22. Now just cut with 11. 11 2s are 22. 11 11s are 121. Now further you can't solve. So multiply the numerators. 11 ones are 11 and denominator will be 2. So answer will be 11 by 2. But 11 by 2 is not an integer value. Clear? So that is why we can say integers are not close under division. Now second property is commutative property. For any two integers a and b, a divided by b, and when you will change the order as b divided by a, answer will not come same. For example, 24 divided by minus 3 is minus 8. As 3 8s are 24 and sign will be minus because of rule, because both the integers having the different sign. So minus 8 will come. But when you will change the order, minus 3 divided by 24, in that case changes division sign into multiplication. Then you have to write 24's reciprocal, that is 1 upon 24. Cut this numerator with denominator, 3 8s are 24 and minus 1 upon 8 will come. Clear? Now you can see minus 8 and minus 1 upon 8. Both are different. So commutative property is not applicable for division. Clear? Now check for associative property. For any three integers a, b and c, when you will change the order of division, answer will not come same. If commutative property is not applicable, then associative property is also not applicable. You can check with using example. Here 8 divided by 2 divided by 4. Here I have grouped 8 and 2 together using brackets. So according to Bodmer's, when you will solve 8 divided by 2, 4 will come and 4 divided by 4 is 1. Clear? But when I will change the order, in that case 8 divided by 2 divided by 4. 2 divided by 4, you have to change the sign of this division. It will be 1 upon 4 and here you have to put multiplication sign. So you have to write its reciprocal as 1 upon 4. Then multiply 2 into 1 upon 4 is, here you have to cancel numerator with denominator. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 upon 2 will come. 8 divided by 1 upon 2. In that case again change this division sign into multiplication. Then you have to write 1 upon 2's reciprocal. And 1 upon 2 reciprocal is 2 upon 1. There is no value of this denominator as 1. So you have to just multiply the numerators only. 8 2s are 16. Now you can see answers are coming 1 and 16 are not coming same. Clear? So you can say integers are not associative under division. Clear? Now next property is, for any non-zero integer a, 0 divided by a is 0, but a divided by 0 is not defined. For example, 0 divided by any integer. Here I have taken minus 12 as an integer. So 0 divided by minus 12 is 0. Why? You will change this division sign into multiplication. Then you have to write its reciprocal. Reciprocal of minus 12 is 1 upon minus 12 or minus 1 upon 12. Both you can write. So 0 multiplied with minus 1 upon 12 will be 0. But 6 divided by 0. 6 divided by 0. In that case, when you will change this division sign into multiplication, then you will write 0's reciprocal. And 0's reciprocal is 1 upon 0. And when you will divide any number with 0, answer will be not defined. Clear? Fifth property is, if a is an integer different from 0, then a divided by a is 1. This is very simple. a divided by a. That means if you will divide any integer with the same integer, answer will be 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 4 is 1. Minus 17 divided by minus 17 is 1. Is it clear? After these concepts, I hope you will be able to solve these numerical which I am giving you from exercise 1E. That is question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 8. Odd parts you have to do in notebook. Clear? Odd parts of question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 8 you have to do in your notebook. If any query, any doubt, then you can write in comment box. PDF of this chapter is available in the home tutorial in the green box at jmps.org.in. Hope you like my video. So thank you so much.